Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing well. And yeah, I hope that everybody is staying safe with everything going on in the world right now. It is absolutely crazy. I do feel a little weird coming on here and talking about money, but I do have links down below to websites where you can donate for George Floyd and as well as Breonna Taylor. I am a black woman, so this definitely hits home very, very close to home, the closest it can hit for me. And I have donated to multiple places, so actually my paycheck stuffing is actually a little bit lower because I've just been donating wherever I can just to help Black lives, because Black lives matter and they will and they should. And yeah, so my heart is a little heavy in this video. I hope that you guys, take this time to, maybe get a little bit of an escape, because I know that social media right now can be a little bit toxic and just very, very hard to take in, even just the media in general. Everything is a little bit intense right now, so I hope that this can bring you a little bit of a break and bring you a little bit of joy and happiness. So today I'm going to be stuffing my cash envelopes and my sinking funds. This is my first paycheck of June, so we're really excited. And yeah, so if you guys want to see me go ahead and do that, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so for this cash stuffing, I'm going to be stuffing $565. That is what I chose to stuff for this paycheck. So let's go ahead and get right into it and show you guys what we're working with. Okay, so this is my June monthly spread. I have my sinking funds tracker as well as my monthly expenses. So we're going to go ahead and get into this. So we're actually going to close out any leftover money that I have. So in food, we have nothing. Personal, we have nothing. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, my last paycheck I was very, very spendy. I got a lot of new clothes and I don't know, I was just in the mood to spend and I spent it. So there's not a lot left over in here. I'm going to be honest with you. This can go towards that, and then this last $10 for my dog is going to go towards his grooming and his vet, which we have up here. Okay, so I had like $10 left over, I think, or something along those lines. I don't remember, but it's fine. So all of that money, I had $10 left over in my Roger envelope, which is for my dog. So whatever I have left over in that envelope, I always put towards his groomer. And then I have $5 left in personal as well, so I'm just going to put that over here. And yeah, okay. So this money came from my clothing envelope because I did spend some money on clothing, like I mentioned. So this came from my sinking fund, so I'm just going to put this in the bank. Okay, and this money I believe I just had left over, so this is also going to go towards my paying off my bills this month. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this stuffing. So we're gonna stuff up here. This is my paycheck. I got paid on the 5th. Today is the 6th, just because I got tired yesterday and did not feel like stuffing anything last night. So it's been super hot here in New York, and I was not prepared for it. So that's why I got like so many new clothes, and especially because with my job, this is the first time that I'm working an office job where like it's like a dress code kind of, so I had to get some work appropriate clothes. So just gonna put this here. Okay, will be right back. I'm just going to take a screenshot for my thumbnail. Okay, so getting started, groceries is going to get 80, but I'm actually going to only stuff 60 because I did use my card to pay for my groceries and I have to put that back. So I'm actually only going to stuff 20, and I'm only putting 80 into groceries this week just because I have a lot of, I kind of stocked up a little bit, so I have like a lot of money, a lot of stuff that I didn't have to buy again this week. So this 60 is going to the money that I have over here set aside for the bank. So that is going to get deposited later today. So this 20 is going into food, and that should be more than enough for next week because, like I said, I did stock up this week. So that is checked off. Personal is going to get $20. So now it has $20. And it's just going to get a 20. Just going to put that in there. And then like that. And check this off. Gas is going to get $20. Gas is still so cheap. It's so amazing. And plus I'm driving a tiny car, so like $20 fills it up like nobody's business. So that's a good feeling. Gas, check. Makeup and toiletries is going to get $25. I'm not spending anything on makeup this time because I have been going crazy on Ulta for like no reason. But it's because I think it's closed, so I'm like, oh, I need this, and I really, in fact, do not need any of the things. So if you guys are like that too right now, definitely let me know. Makeup and toiletries. I am not going to be stuffing my food out category because I honestly don't need to get any food out this pay period because I've been doing really well with that and just, you know, making my lunches, bringing my lunches and everything like that. So we're going to stick to that. And then I'm going to stuff for my dog, which is $10. So he gets his usual 10. And we're going to put that right in here. So that is it for all of the envelopes that I carry with me in my wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and place these to the side. And now we're going to get started on our sinking funds. If you guys didn't know, I keep my sinking funds in this waterproof, fireproof envelope from Jundun. I will have it linked down below. I got mine from Amazon, I should say. And yeah, that's that. We're just going to have to do this the old-fashioned way and just kind of guess. Gifts is going to get $20. Gonna stuff that in here. Gifts I used because it was my niece's birthday, and I wanted to give her something. So house is going to get $50. 50, 60, 70, 80, 50. So 50, 100, 110, 120, 130. Amazing. I'm saving up to buy some new deck furniture for my house. So that should be fun. I'm going to put these little stickers inside because they keep falling off, and then I don't know which fund I'm stuffing. So I am going to get some new cash envelopes here soon, hopefully, but I am trying to save right now, so I'm trying not to spend money. But okay, so house, perfect. Camera, she's gonna get 20. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 towards a new camera. That's amazing. I'm so happy. All right, next up is hair. Hair is getting 20. My hair salon is opening up soon. I cannot wait. I'm definitely going to do a protective style. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That's great. Because I need a relaxer color, and I want to get a protective style, like I said. What is this? Oh, clothing. I'm not stuffing clothing this time because, like I said, I spent a lot of money for clothing, and the $40 that was in here is in the deposit category. Okay, so next up is the groomer / the vet, and that is going to get 25. And this is up here because I did take my dog to the vet because he has like a little pimple on him. But insurance covered it. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110. That's great for him. I think in July I'm going to go ahead and separate the groomer and the vet category and like have one separate for each. I think that would be good. Vacation is going to get $10. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70 towards vacation. Birthday is going to get $10 as well. $20, 40, 50, 60, 70 in birthday. Christmas, let me just check that off. Christmas is going to get $10. So 20, 40, 50, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 in Christmas. Next up is savings, and I stuff savings twice, so savings is going to get $100. It'll be 250s. So 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180 in savings. Electronics is going to get 25. One, two, three, 4, 5. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I have 125 in electronics. That's crazy. I'm so excited about that, actually. I can switch out these bills soon. Car is getting $100. I believe this is car. Yeah. So 250s, 100, 150, 170, 180, 190, 195, 96, 97, 98, 99. $200 towards a new car already. Oh my god. That's so amazing. And then lastly, I have my wax package. 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 70. I'm going to add 20, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. And that's the last one. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I love making this content for you guys, and you guys just seem to really like it as well. Like I said, I will have links to where you can donate and inform yourself about what's going on currently in the world down below. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you, love, so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Bye.